Okay, so here we are again in another trading video, and well, let's see what do we have today here. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start with EU. On EU, we're having an uptrend here, and after this week and this mitigation, we had a reaction here as an S&T probably, and then it took the structural low. Okay, so this was yesterday but I'm just explaining for today. Okay, so today we had this first break of structure, no relevant liquidity, and we could have looked for buys as we had here a clear downtrend. Okay, so I was first looking for buys, but for me this had nothing really. Okay, reaction here more or less as an S&T probably here, just reacting before the liquidity here, but the problem here was that there was nothing to react from, and then it went up, and here I decided to take a risky trade. Okay, so I know it wasn't the best trade and it's not confirmed, so I just risk it here, and I got a stop loss. So yeah, just wanted to try but it didn't work. We only had this liquidity here. Okay, then it ranged, or it went sideways, and then it reacted to the upside, but it didn't take, I think, previous daily high 48 and 48. Okay, so we got highs. Let's see tomorrow what happens, but I would love to see that it takes this and then we go up again. Okay, or on H1 we take, well, it took this low here, so yeah, I would love to see that it takes this or this and then continue higher. Okay, GU, we're having an uptrend too, but it started reversing to the downside. Break of structure here, break of rival liquidity on each one here taken with a big wick. This was from yesterday, but it's interesting because it kept the same range. Okay, so as you can see, it takes the low. Here I could have taken a risky entry. Let me see the confirmation. M1. Yeah, M1 is just an engulfing candle. It's really pretty risky, but well. And today we had this going to the downside, and I was looking for buys here, but yeah, nothing at all. And then it took this high, which probably was relevantly with the M5 from this breakout structure and S&T reaction here. Yeah, really nothing here. Okay, so for relevantly with the M5, and if we take, yeah, it took this low, so I don't know. Let's see tomorrow. Nasdaq, nothing really. On Nasdaq, oh yeah, nothing. It didn't take this low, so yeah. Let me. Okay, so USD JPY. We're having a downtrend now. It started reversing to the upside, and after seeing this reaction here, I expected this low to be taken. So yeah, just it looked like an S&T. Okay, I like it because it reacted before taking this low, so it reacted here. This was relevant liquidity on M5 after taking this break of structure, so this relevant liquidity on M5 too. Break of structure here, boom, mitigation, Asia midline, engulfing candle on M1 here, and I enter it, and then it started going down, and I expected that this could happen, okay? So we had relevant liquidity on M5 taken here because this is the breakup structure. As you can see, it reacts multiple times, so this is the relevant liquidity probably. It takes the relevant liquidity, breakup structure to induce buyers, and then boom, it goes to the downside, okay? Downside, mitigation again, boom. It takes the low, structural low to induce sellers, and then it goes with the buys again, okay? Fuck, I'm tired. Okay, so here the same. Use the CHF, we're having a downtrend here. Breakup structure, and here we had relevant liquidity on 5, which I expected to be taken. It took the relevant liquidity on 5. I was looking for sells here. It's true that it's too clear, okay, but probably I would have taken stop loss here, because for me this was the relevant liquidity on 5. Okay, I'm here again, sorry. So yeah, I probably would have had a stop loss here, I don't know yet. And here, well, there was nothing to have here, so yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would have taken something there. And here we are in a downtrend, clear downtrend, as you can see. It keeps going down. So here we still had a reaction. That means that buyers are in. Breakup started on M5. So here we had here previous daily low and previous weekly low. So I expected a reaction at least at some point. But yeah. Yeah, nothing to trade here. I just wanted to look for a sell here to take this low, but it broke the structure and it never took this liquidity here. Okay, so yeah, nothing at all. Well, I think I'm going to sleep. See you tomorrow, and well, have a nice day.